Hi, my name's Gavin. This is my 98 Chevrolet Z28. The car was automatic from factory. I decided to have a 6-speed swap done to it.
The customer had it at another shop. They did a T56 trans swap in this.
Found out that they did some things that were not in the best interest of the car.
They cut big holes in the firewall, made the firewall flexed a whole lot, creating safety issues.
After a little bit of research and calling in to some people in the car community that are familiar with the 4th gen Camaros, they suggested to bring it to Blackdog Speed Shop.
So we disassembled the brake master cylinder, the brake booster out of the way to get access to the clutch master. We had to reinforce the firewall right at the pedal area there to, again, give it more strength. We got that thing back together, and the firewall is 100% solid in there. We're gonna put that thing on the dyno, retune it.
Blackdog Speed Shop. They took very great care of the car. They were able to remedy all of the concerns that I had. Took it for a test drive. The car feels great. It's too bad that it's January because I'd love to drive it home, but they're going to be nice enough to put it in an enclosed trailer and trailer it all the way back home.